Our journey begins in the lush vanilla plantations of Madagascar, the world's leading producer of premium natural vanilla. Skilled workers carefully harvest only. After harvesting, the fresh vanilla beans are carefully collected and given a quick quality to trucks, ready for their curing facility, where the transformation into freshly harvested vanilla beans are transported directly from the plantation to a modern curing facility. Careful transportation helps preserve their freshness and quality. At the processing facility, the freshly harvested vanilla beans are gently washed with clean, filtered water to remove dust and impurities from the plantation. The cleaned vanilla beans now enter the blanching stage. They are briefly immersed in carefully controlled hot water to stop natural growth enzymes that begin developing vanilla's rich aroma. After blanching, the vanilla beans enter the sweating stage. Controlled humidity activates natural enzymes. This begins the transformation. The beans turn from green pods into fragrant. The cured vanilla beans are carefully spread. Slow, even drying removes excess moisture while concentrating flavors. Skilled workers turn every bean by hand. After several days in the sun, the vanilla beans continue drying in a carefully controlled shade environment. Skilled workers inspect and turn every bean daily. The vanilla beans now enter a long curing period that can last for several months. During this time, natural enzymes continue developing the complex flavor and aroma that make premium valuable. After months of careful curing, every vanilla bean is individually graded for size. Only the finest premium beans are selected, ensuring a rich aroma and consistent flavor in every bottle. To release their full flavor, the premium vanilla beans are carefully split lengthwise. This exposes the aromatic seeds and inner to more efficiently. The beans are now ready for the extraction solution.
The prepared vanilla beans are transferred into large extraction tanks, where purified water and food-grade alcohol slowly dissolve the natural flavor and aroma compounds. The vanilla extract is slowly aged inside sealed stainless steel tanks for several weeks. During this time, the natural compounds continue blending into the extraction.
After aging, the vanilla extract passes through multiple food-grade filtration stages. These advanced filters remove natural bean particles while preserving the rich flavor, aroma, and color. Before bottling, every batch is tested. Experts verify its purity and vanillin content. We check the color, aroma, and strict quality standards. Every bottle delivers premium flavor.
After passing rigorous quality testing, the premium vanilla extract enters the fully automated bottling line. Every glass bottle is carefully washed and sterilized before being...
Each bottle is automatically capped and sealed to preserve the natural aroma and flavor of the vanilla extract. Advanced inspection systems verify the cap. Each bottle is carefully marked with its batch number. Manufacturing date and expiry date ensure complete traceability. Advanced vision systems inspect every detail. The finished vanilla extract bottles are automatically packed. Every carton is carefully sealed, coated, and inspected. The packaged products are now ready for palletizing.
The packaged cartons are stacked onto export pallets. Advanced robotic systems ensure safe handling. Each pallet is securely wrapped and labeled.
After secure warehouse storage, the finished vanilla extract is prepared for global distribution. Export pallets are carefully loaded into international shipping containers. The sealed containers are transported to an international seaport, where they are carefully loaded its journey across the ocean, supplying bakeries and supermarkets in countries around the world. After arriving at the destination country, the vanilla extract is received at a modern distribution center. Every shipment is scanned, inspected, and sorted before loaded onto regional delivery trucks.
Reaches supermarket shelves. Customers can now purchase this carefully crafted product and use its rich natural flavor to create delicious desserts at home. The journey of premium vanilla ends where millions of delicious recipes begin. Just a small amount adds a rich flavor. Every drop brings authentic goodness to life.